Hello everyone, part 3 of the 2025 Wales Car Show. This is, so I made it to the other side of the field here. So here is the 1940 Ford, beautiful silver, Mustang GT, Z06 Corvette, got that real pretty burnt orange on it. Well, that one's a lighter burnt orange. This is more of a burnt orange to me. This one here. Of course, it's in the shade, so the sun is not really bleeding off the paint, but. All right, 1970 Chevelle. You got the Buick GS here. For sale. $35,000. Got this Dodge D100 here, 68 Dodge D100. I had a 67 step side, but I never got mine restored. So, but nice truck. Got these nice bikes here, Harley Davidson, of course. Always got to go with that. This turquoise and white one's my favorite one. This one right here is just, it's sexy. That's all I gotta say is it's sexy. Better view of it. All right, now the 74 Ford. Got this 73 Chevy. Has unfinished, it says on it, on the tag on the window, it says unfinished. So apparently he has more restoration to do. Probably paint. 2003 Chevy SS. It's a pretty nice truck right there. It probably has the LS engine in it. I'm sure it can get down. 86 Chevy. Mustang 5.0 box body. Got this Maverick here. Old Ford. Another old Ford. This is a Mercury, 64 Mercury. Another Corvette. Yep, got to show off the Grinch here. There's the Grinch driving right there. LS5 or LS7, excuse me, LS7. Got the Studebaker. 55 Studebaker. 1966 Ford. 37 Packard. Okay, now make our way over here. We got more Corvettes here. More Corvettes, just these three. And then a 65 Chevy. This beautiful Cobra here. 65 Cobra, love them. I'm a huge fan of the Cobras. Has the 427s in them. Yeah, there's actually a couple here today. This is the one I actually got to see for the car show, but the other one drove out of town, so he might be done. He was at the drag races yesterday, and a huge fan of the Dart because I have one. It's in Oklahoma. 72 Dodge Dart. I don't know if my dad sold it or not, but it's a 67 Dodge Dart. Ours is a 72, but that one is set up for horsepower. Beautiful Camaro SS. And then the last truck. got this little Chevy S10 here, I believe it is. And real bright Barbie pink. And but it has some fancy rims on it, fancy paint job. So, and then it has some of these subwoofers in the back here. I think they're 12s. No, they're 10s. There's 2 10s in the back. So, but it is custom for sure. That's got a lot of money in those. But that is the car show and all the cars that I see so far. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this content, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Much appreciated. It really helps out the channel. More to come. Thank you.